Hello everyone, my name is Dino Bijujon. My topic is EcoBox. My topic main theme is a sustainable smart packaging as a service for e-commerce business. Introduction. My presentation is on EcoBox, a sustainable packaging innovation designed to address the packaging waste crisis driven by the exponential growth of online retail. Traditional packaging material like plastic and cardboard are incapable with the circular economic model and contribute significantly to landfill waste. EcoBox is a smart subscription based on reusable packaging system enhanced with LOT tracking. It aligned with ESG principle, environmental, social, and governance, and support sustainable development goal, responsible consumption and production. The project used the PRISM methodology ISO 14001 and life cycle analysis to ensure that sustainability is embedded in every phase of project. States of need. The global e-commerce sector generates millions of tons of packaging waste annually, which is becoming increasingly unsustainable. At the same time, consumers are shifting towards e-consumption brand and expect environmental friendly packaging solution. Governments are also enforcing strict ESG regulation and extended producer responsibility. E-books address these issues by offering IIoT enable reusable packaging that can be tracked and monitored through digital dashboards. The project aims to reduce packaging waste by 60%, cut CO2 emissions by 40%, and achieve 90% reuse rate. Its scope includes the development of prototypes, a reverse logical network, and an ESG aligned governance structure. Stakeholders group. The success of ebooks depends heavily on effective stakeholders engagement. The main stakeholders group include retailers who need verified ESG metrics to remain competitive, and logistics providers who must manage the low carbon reverse. Logistics suppliers are expected to deliver biodegradable and ethical sourced material, while consumers demand transparent, eco-friendly packaging and incentive for refunds. Regulators play a key role by enforcing environment standard and ESG reporting. Process mapping. One instruction how each stakeholder is involved, show their roles, feedback loops, and strategies of engagement. This is a chart. Sustainable governance. Ecobox is governed by the dedicated sustainability governance board which follow the ISO 26000 framework for socially responsibility and the triple bottom line approach. The board monitors real-time ESG data through inactive dashboard on overseas a risk and ethical commit that address dilemmas and driveness. Stakeholders' accountability is strengthened through whistleblowing channels and complaints audits. Process may map to display the governance workflow, highlighting how transparency and regulators complaints are maintained through the project. This is a chart, sustainable supply chain and procurement. The procurement strategy for EcoBox follows circular economic principle focusing on sustainable sourcing and ethical labor practices. Supply are evaluated on material durability, carbon footprint, and ethical complaints call-based traceability through tools are integrated to ensure end-to-end visibility of supplier performance. The reverse logical system is central to ensuring packaging reuse and waste minimization. Uh, Contracts include clear ESG related KPIs to ensure compliance and accountability. Process mapping 3 visualize the circular supply chain from sourcing to reuse. Sustainability risks. The project faced several key sustainability risks, including material wears and tear, consumer required to return packages, and logical instabilities. There are also potential complaints risks due to revolving environmental standards. Mitigation strategies include offering incentive from consumer to return packaging, real-time risk monitoring tool, and strong governance or oversight. Process map for outline the risk escalating and monitoring process to ensure risks are identified and addressed probability. This is a chart. Sustainability merits and KPIs. EcoBosses uses qualitative merits and aligned with ESG and SDG 12 goals to measure success. Key KPIs include 90% reuse rate, a 40% reduction in CO2 emission, and 80% consumer return complaints, all tracked via LOT sensor and app system. Additional 95% supply complaints is ensured through regular audits, and 70% of waste is diverted from landfills. Reported under GRI 306 standards. Process Map 5 show the KPI monitoring cycle, which help in maintaining transparency and driving consumption improvement. This is a chart. Lifecycle analysis. Lifecycle analysis is performed on EcoBox, covering sourcing, production, distribution, use, then sanitation, and reuse phase. LCR thus to ISO 14040 standard, ensuring transparency and accountability in environmental impact reporting. By applying LCA, EcoBox minimize reliance on virgin material and maximize reuse potential. Tool like SIMA Pro and used to calculate the carbon, energy, and water footprints. Feedback loops from consumers and regulators are integrated to continuously improve product design. Process map illustrate each phase of the life cycle and how data feedback into redesign and improvement. And this is the life cycle chart. And the final conclusion is EcoBox is an innovative, scalable, and sustainability focused packaging solution for the growing e commerce sector. It delivers employment benefits through waste and carbon reduction, social value through job creation, and consumer education and governance strength through complaints and transparency. The project demonstrates a successful blend of creativity and disciplined project management by liaising with ESG standard and SDG 12. EcoBox set a benchmark for responsible innovation in packaging. Thank you for listening. This is the references. This is also references. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.